Sydney-based drone services provider recognized by Aviation/Aerospace Australia for pioneering accomplishments in global expansion. Sydney-based drone services provider Aerologix recently received the prestigious Excellence in Innovation SM Award from the Aviation/Aerospace Australia organization. The award is designed to honor organizations for their accomplishments and innovations in products, services, or operational processes. Other finalists included Bennett, Litigation and Commercial Law, Dovetail Electric Aviation, and Envirofluid. Aerologix, which describes itself as Uber for drones, connects CASA-certified independent drone services providers, providing footage of personal and corporate events, inspection operations, surveying services, and data-on-demand services, with a wide range of clients as part of a network that spans Oceania. Other services offered by Aerologix include Aerologix Maps, began after their strategic acquisition of Mappa, which converts drone footage taken by contractors into high-quality, high-definition maps at broadly affordable price points, and Aerologix Fleet, a tool designed to aid in mapping vertical structures. Founded by a former Qantas pilot and a former specialist, Aerologix has over 30,000 providers in their network and promise 48-hour end-to-end delivered products and services. In mid-2023, Aerologix announced a major business expansion into New Zealand, further increasing access to its innovative services. Late last year, Aerologix announced plans for an aggressive expansion into North and South America. In a statement from Aerologix CEO and co-founder Tom Koska, he said, "We are quite humbled yet very proud of our accomplishments. It's a testament to my team at Aerologix. It's quite remarkable how our in-app software can create and automate flight plans at the touch of a widget. 1 year ago, we were doing about 1,000 flights a month on our Uber-like platform. Today, we are doing over 10,000 flights per week. We also secured full patience on our technology, another nice tip of the hat from IP Australia.